Miss. Hello my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to do slime. First, you need to have a bowl and glue and food coloring and borax and soap and shaving cream, and the last is water. Now let's pour the glue in the bowl. Now let's pour some food coloring into the glue. Just one drop. Let's mix the glue and the food coloring together. Then pour water into the glue. It's time to pour borax. And mix. And pour some water inside. And mix. It's time to pour shaving cream too. Just one sip. Here, now mix. Now get some water and mix. It's time to pour borax so it can be fluffy and not sticky. Let me add some body lotion soap. It's time to mix. Now we're almost done. You have a nice, stretchy, and blue slime. Like my friend, slime is stretchy and fluffy and squishy. It's neither a solid or a liquid. Okay, Miss Esther. Okay, my friends. I hope you like this video. I will see you in another science experiment. Bye.